Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn about new target sounds which is your and I hope you can listen and watch the video very carefully and learn something new today. Let's go to the first word of your sound which is cure. I repeat, cure. Cure. Cure dalam bahasa Melayu maksudnya ialah penawar. Okay, I repeat, cure. Okay, the second word is pure. 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 I repeat, pure. Pure means suci dalam bahasa Melayu. Okay, try again. Pure. Let's go to the third word. The third word is secure. Again, secure. Again, secure. Secure maksudnya selamat. Okay, let's try again. Secure. Good. Okay, the next word is picture. 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 Again, picture. Picture maksudnya gambar dalam bahasa Melayu. Okay, let's try again. Picture. Okay, the next word is mixture. 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 Mixture maksudnya campuran dalam bahasa Melayu. Okay, you try again. Mixture. Okay, the last word for today for your sound is creature. Creature. Again, creature. Creature maksudnya ialah makhluk. Okay, let's try for the final. Is creature. Okay, now let's go to the sound of Okay, get ready. The first word is her. 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 Repeat. Her. Her adalah panggilan untuk dia bagi perempuan. Next word is tiger. 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 I repeat, tiger. Maksudnya ialah harimau. Okay, let's go to the next word is water. 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 Again, water. Water adalah air dalam bahasa Melayu. Okay, please remember, water. Okay, let's go to the next word is tower. Tower. I repeat, tower. Tower. Tower maksudnya adalah menara. Again, tower. The final words for a sound for today is flower. 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 Flower adalah bunga. Okay. Last and again, flower. Okay, that's all for today. Cikgu harap apa yang kamu tengok, apa yang kamu dengar ni, kamu faham. Sebab yang ni penting untuk kamu belajar untuk cakap, belajar untuk bunyikan perkataan dalam bahasa Inggeris. Dia benda yang simple, tapi kadang-kadang ada antara kamu ni kamu tak tahu nak bunyikan perkataan tu dalam bahasa Inggeris. Okay. See you soon for the next video. Okay, goodbye.